Okay, I've finally decided that I'm gonna be showing you these two piles of clothing for 12 hours. Approximately. I'm doing a Andy Warhol here. Mornings have slightly more bluish light emitted from the sun, so our circulation system and digestion and everything is being kicked off by that slightly bluish light. In the evenings the sun goes down and the light around us is slightly red. That's why the LEDs of computer monitors keep us awake, because they're always cold light, bluish. So now that we got autumn time, and I will continue filming this in summer, because in summer these clothes will look totally different when arranged the way they are right now. So I'm so into this. So to look fresh, these are the clothes, I wear when I go hiking. So to look fresh, or these at least, that jacket, this skirt and this t-shirt look so, how could you wear that? But during summertime, when the light is shining into the room and there is no bluish light bulbs or whatever on, and I look at it with my eyes and not through the camera. The camera is a different kind of AI. It needs a white balance so that the camera knows this color right now that I'm filming is white. So that's why you got to tell a camera at all times, are you indoors? You got artificial bluish light, or am I outdoors? So the light is different because it's sunlight out there. Sun actually contains the bluish and the reddish area, but it differs a little bit, mornings to evenings. Okay, so during summertime, these three colors look real nice. For autumn, I arranged them. But to me now, since I want to go streamlined, I don't want to be having a totally different color wearing on the top than I'm wearing for my legs. Now this looks not nice. So because this just doesn't look right now, arranged for autumn time. Also, I told you this doesn't really look nice because I have it still streamlined. This skirt and this woolen top, they look about the same. So I would look as if though I have one color on, but I also want it to look fresh. So these colors are both a bit sluggish. They are not, one is a bright color and the other one is a kind of dimmed down color, so that I can have, a kind of streamlined look, but still have some contrast. These are just too similar, these two. So okay, here, but during summer this works. During summer this one is much more light and this one is much more dark. So I do have a kind of a okay look kind of for autumn, because that one would be the sweater to go with it, like a jacket that I would put around my shoulders. So these are the three colors, but now they look like Smurfs, all blue they are, and I don't want to go like this. Okay. Oh, the other example would be these blue shorts and this red top. They are two different colors. I don't look streamlined with those. Usually, to look like a Smurf, I would put that top with something slightly darker as shorts. I would put these two colors, like these shorts, the pink ones, and then a similar color, this one, on the top. But because these two colors are too similar, you know, the shorts here and the top, I look like a Smurf. I'm not doing that anymore. Unless I'm having a handbag with a different color, jewelry with a different color, a hat with a different color. If I'm just wearing two things during summertime, as these are my summer clothes, I'm not doing that anymore. I go for streamlined, but a little bit of contrast. It would be these shorts, and that would go for on the top as a t-shirt. These two things are similar colors, but it looks fresh. Do you get it? That's why it is so important, whether the things are slightly bluish or slightly reddish. Because when the light during the seasons change, now these, being my summer clothes, all of a sudden don't look right anymore. I've rearranged them yesterday because I bought this top, the yellow top, to go with these shorts, because I didn't have anything nice to wear that would have a little bit of a contrast and look fresh for these shorts. So now I'm finding out next summer whether these two would fit. You know, I wear these shorts and on the top something slightly lighter, but also a bit a different color it must be. Yeah. And sometimes I want it to be from the same color family too, for creating a contrast. Like white is not a color, so it cannot be from the same color family as yellow, these two. Like when I'm wearing yellow shorts and this white t-shirt. But yellow, pink, or rosé and blue are the same color family, and violet, orange and green are the same color family. To go a bit more like men like it, they like contrasts, I would wear blue and red. There is no streamlined look there then anymore. As I told you, I like it. But to go streamlined can end up in looking like a Smurf. All the same color looks really bad. If you have shoes and a handbag, these can have the same shade, but it shouldn't be the same shade as the dress, because shoes, your feet, is not the same as your body. Your body should always be a bit lighter, because the more far away from your head, the darker the stuff must get, because you don't want something light on your feet, so people would always look down on your feet when your eyes are the most important. Jewelry has to be lighter in shade than your clothes. Well, I didn't say so, but it has to be, because that one is more important than your clothes. Your clothes you could not be wearing, so they are important, but in value, you shouldn't wear plastic jewelry, because in value, jewelry should always have more value, like should be made out from gold or silver. So you are having something that is jeweler-esque. Jewelry should be like jewelry, not made from plastic. It should be bling bling, And if you don't have that, the money to buy real small golden or then even bigger silver jewelry, just don't wear jewelry. So the thing is, when the jewelry is lighter than your clothes, they're like on top, seen as a glimming or a shine that always is on top of surfaces. That's what it should look like. When you have darker jewelry than your clothes, what you do is you create visually like a hole. So the jewelry isn't on top of something shining. It is like sinking in to the background and it looks like a shadow. So that's not what jewelry does. Jewelry always acts like a lip gloss. It's on top, it shines. It's like a polished surface, sun shining on it, and you see it shimmer. That's that shimmer on yourself you recreate, not by lights shining on you, but by wearing jewelry. And then, of course, jewelry is also, you add to your clothing, like a hat, like gloves, like a handbag. Well, have you ever seen royals wearing a handbag? They don't. You don't need a handbag. But even men, when they are wearing a lot of clothes, like they wear lots of layers, they look more mature. Psychology has found out the more clothes you wear, the richer, the more mature, the more understanding, the more like a human being. Whatever positive you want to add right there, you can add. You look like. So they go saying, if you're just wearing a t-shirt and shorts, that one looks kind of poor. So poor people have this, you don't ask poor people for advice.